Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platform, which is Puzzle AI and NetSuite. So to get started with a quick overview, Puzzle.io is a modern accounting platform designed for startup and high growth companies. It automates financial reporting, real-time insight, and integrated with a banking, payrolls, and payment platform. Puzzle is also known for its AI-powered transaction categorization and a clean, intuitive dashboard aimed at finances teams needing a transparency and speed. Then on the other side, NetSuite by Oracle is a robust cloud ERP solution that covers accounting, CRMs, inventory, HR, and more. Designed for mid-sized to large businesses, it offers deep customization, multiple entity management, and advanced reporting tools suitable for complex operation. And here's what these two platforms are best at. So starting with the Puzzle AI is best for startup, SaaS companies, and finances teams needing a agile real-time accounting. Then on the other side, NetSuite is best for growing mid-market companies need a full ERP capabilities. And here's the very conclusion. So choose Puzzle.io if you are starting up a agile financial team needing a modern and a real-time accounting without ERP complexity. On the other side, you can go for NetSuite if your business demands a full-scale ERP solution for multiple entity operation and deep financial management and growth at scale.